How to change profile picture in 8-ball pool. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change profile picture in 8-ball pool. Changing profile picture in 8-ball pool is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open 8-ball pool, launch the game on your mobile device. Go to your profile, tap on your avatar or profile picture in the top left corner of the main screen to open your profile. Tap on the edit icon. Once inside your profile, look for a small pencil or edit icon near your current profile picture or avatar. Choose an avatar. A list of available avatars will appear. Select the one you like from the pre-designed avatars. Save changes. After selecting a new avatar, confirm your selection. Your new profile picture will now appear on your profile and in the game. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change profile picture in 8-ball pool. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.